In this video, I will talk about the creation of the independent bibliography in Microsoft Word. There may be times when it is necessary to create the independent libraries without citations in Microsoft Word. And for that, first we have to select some of the references which I'm going to suggest to any author. For example, I'm selecting 2, 3, 4, 5, and some of these references, and I want to create the independent library. For that, I must have open Microsoft Word, and here you can see Microsoft Word is open and doesn't contain any data. Then I have to select the journal style. For that, select another style. If I want to paste it according to the veterinary microbiology or virology, for example, in my case, I am selecting the virology. Then I'm right selecting the mm, selected references and then copy formatted. Then I'm going to the Microsoft Word file, and in the Microsoft Word file you can see here just by clicking here I can paste like this, or using another option Control V I can paste the references, and it will be called as the independent library, independent bibliography. Why independent bibliography? Because it don't have the links of the citations within the text in Microsoft Word. Sometimes it may be necessary. So this is the simplest way to create an independent bibliography.